Arrive in style with this Ford 2015 Fusion SE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: engine 2.0L EcoBoost, 3 12-volt DC power outlets, 3 LCD monitors in the front, audio, satellite radio, chrome grille, convenience, backup camera, convenience, cruise control, convenience, leather steering wheel and LED brake lights. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.